For me, I think the LifaLoft jacket is one of the best jackets I had, since it's so comfortable. I think it's a perfect fit in the jacket.
Hello, my name is Philip Tavel. I'm Category Managing Director here at Helly Hansen, and I'm going to give you an introduction to our new technology for Winter 18, the LIFALOT. The development of the LifaLoft installation started with a task from the Swedish Alpine team. They needed a lighter and warmer jacket that they could both travel in, but also use as a layering on the mountain when they're training and racing.
We met Philip Tavel in Sölden 2 years ago, 2016, and then he was asking us what kind of jacket we were missing.
We sat down with Helly Hansen and we came up with an idea. We want to have a lightweight jacket. We could have on the mount to stay warm, but as well be able to pack down in a bag in a small size.
We also wanted to have something really warm between our runs. Also a jacket that we can use during the days, not only in the slope and the travel with. So we were missing that kind of jacket.
So we went to our long-term installation partner, Prima Loft, and developed together with them during 2 years a new installation that's called LIFALOT, and it's a mixture of 75% Lifa fibers and all the great benefits of the Lifa fiber, and 25% synthetic polyester insulation.
Because of the material and the structure of LifaLoft, this insulation can be 20% lighter and 25% warmer than a standard polyester insulation.
We wanted to create products with the design that was timeless and had a focus on fit and construction.
Some of the key features on this jacket is the fleece side panels and sleeves to really make for a customized fit and a more breathable and versatile products, and the hand warming pocket.
When you're out racing and training, it's really important to have the clothes that are really comfortable. And since then, I think it's perfect to have a jacket that is that lightweight as the LifaLoft, because you could really use it in the gates, but as well between the rounds to stay warm.
So with this new LifaLoft installation, we've created an installation program that is extremely versatile, and you, both as a skier or a sailor, you can use it year round as a great layering piece or as a standalone everyday jacket.